Hi, I'm Tikva Wiener, and I've developed an educational model called RealSchool in order to create 21st century learners. RealSchool is a way for students to engage in experiential, collaborative, and self-directed learning. Because students choose what and how to learn, the teacher truly becomes the guide on the side. Meanwhile, students engage in divergent creative thinking that allows them to apply their knowledge and skills to the challenges of the real world. The club is divided into different teams. Whenever students want to form a new team, we do so and then sit down and discuss the kind of projects the team wants to do. Let's see some of the projects the RealSchool teams have completed this school year. The first project the club put together was an art exhibit. For a grade art project, the freshmen had taken old clothing, reworked it, and used it as a backdrop for poems they wrote about having a positive self-image. The RealSchool arts team hung the clothing from the ceiling of the school lobby. They also wrote out the poems and hung them on the lobby walls. We also asked the maintenance staff to build a 10-foot clothing rack so all the students could see the various types of clothing the freshmen had made. Finally, mannequins with the clothing were distributed throughout the building. The exhibit made the entire student body think about self-image and what it meant to have society dictate what a person wears and how he feels about himself. February 1st was Digital Learning Day, and RealSchool's marketing team got busy sending out a school-wide survey about the pros and cons of technology in the classroom. The pie charts you see are the results of the marketing teams having sorted through the information. Many schools have finance clubs, but they seem geared for students who already have a sense of how to allocate funds and manage money. RealSchool students wanted a place where they could learn and teach each other about how to manage their money. Right before Pesach, the finance team presented the PowerPoint you see to the entire RealSchool club. The presentation featured a fictional character the team created, Alex Goldbill, who was trying to figure out the best ways to save and invest his money. The most ambitious RealSchool project to date has been a student-run Yom Iyun. Created by the Religious Identity, Arts, and Marketing teams, the Day of Learning, entitled Sichot Be'emunah, Discussions in Faith, took place on Sunday, March 18th. 12 students prepared and presented sessions on various ideas in Tanakh and Talmud. The arts team created an exhibit entitled The Hand of God, the Fibonacci sequence in the world, and the marketing team compiled the source books and promoted the event. Sponsors were sought, and a local restaurant donated food for dinner. Yom Iyun enabled the Frisch community to experience the erudition of the next generation of Jewish thinkers, and the event raised $1,800, which covered the costs of running the program and raised additional funds for the school. What's next? The RealSchool students are busy with their newest projects, a fundraising fashion show, a detox for the Decalogue program before Shavuot. Oh, and the kids are also busy making a video that will be the presentation if this admission gets selected for the Jewish Futures Conference. Everything at RealSchool, including the logo you see before you, is student-made.